Prema from LG Electronics. Today's recipe we are making for the Basan peanut cookies. So for the ingredients, here I taken for 2 cups of basin powder, 1 cup of sugar powder, 1 cup of cooking oil, half spoon of baking powder, 1 pinch of baking soda, half spoon of elachi powder, half cup of crushed peanut and 2 to 3 spoons of ghee. Like instead of oil, you want to add only ghee also, you can add it on this. Basin powder and a sugar powder. For this I can add a baking powder, baking soda, elachi powder. So we can mix well for this. For this I can add for the crust grown-nuts. So I can add for the 1 spoon of 1 or 2 spoons of ghee. We'll mix well. For this I can add for the 1 cup of cooking oil. Mix it and make it for the soft dough. Okay, so this is a dough consistency it will become. So now we can make a shapes of this. So however you want to make a shape, you can make the shape and keep it for the multi-cook pan on this. So for this one, before that we can do for the here I can go for the convection 200-degree preheat the oven. So like this you can make a shapes according to your style of shapes, you can make it on this. It for the cookies here. So here it will become for the 200-degree preheated. So once the preheating get done, we can keep inside. Set the time for 15 minutes. Start. 10 seconds will be there. So the Basan peanut cookies is ready. Okay. Thank you.